Here I have to see how to make a clip of an uploaded video. So let's take a clip, say this one. It is a 1080 means HD clip. It's a HD clip, so we will make a trimmed clip out of it. Let's see. So go to editor, trim it. Let's say I make a clip of this section, the preview. So here you have save as new, copy of test video. Okay, save this video. So that clip is will show here copy of test video, and once it gets processed you can see the video here, and in this process quality does not get diminished. Okay, so we'll see it. Thank you.